Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what day it is. Hell yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? You guys want to win this truck right here? Well, we got a special for you guys. If you guys are attending Swing Quest on March 13th, we'll be there. Come check out our booth, say what's up, and get your entries to win this truck. We're going to do 10-time entries that day, and that day only. So don't forget to get the entries for this truck. Check it out.
Got the tubs out. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubb. Jesus Christ. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be taking the truck to go get the new tires and rims installed. But before that, we're gonna be shooting a ram on intros and possibly also a bag ram. The bag ram still hasn't confirmed or replied, so I'm not sure if they're gonna be pulling up or not. But for sure, my boy Mike and one of the homies from Vista, California. If you guys been here for a while, you guys seen a video shoot I've done of his truck already. We're just gonna get some pictures of his truck now with the intros he got installed. So it's gonna be pretty badass. So let's go, guys. Let me finish getting these rims onto the bed so we could get going. Hell yeah, we got our fucking jump starter here, charging my phone. Well, I could just connect it on the truck. All right, we got this. We're about to bump the speakers right now, the system and everything. So let's bounce, guys. Let's go. We're here at Riverside City College, RCC. The Ram guy's here already, but he's in a different part of the campus. We're probably gonna shoot here, get some pictures, or move somewhere else, but most likely we'll chill here, look for some parts, maybe park on the grass. Hopefully there's no staff or security or anything, but normally when we come here we don't get bothered at all. So yeah, I think the last time we were here we spent like a whole hour here and we didn't get bothered. So as long as we don't do burnouts or anything stupid, we should be good. So I'm gonna just wait for the guy to pull up and then we'll get started. Then I'll change to your guys' favorite lens, the one that's zoomed in all the way. These fools really think I'm out here playing and shit. I got the Crocs for real. You got the homie over here. Damn, we just took some bomb ass pictures. Show you guys later. Let's go down a bit, see what's up. All right, guys, so we made it to the tire shop here in Moreno Valley. It's off of Sunny Mead. It's called Pacheco's Tires. Ask for Chuck. Okay, so we got the wheels back here. I'm about to go in right now and speak to somebody. Well, I mean to Chuck, look for Chuck. And get these freaking wheels installed. Hell yeah, guys, I'm freaking excited. It's gonna look badass. And if you guys aren't following us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us at Big O Chubbs or at Big O Crew Store. One of those two. On both pages, we're running a lot of reels right now, a lot of posts and everything. So if you want to get some more early insider content or sneak peeks or anything, go ahead and follow us there. That's the place to see them. So yeah, guys, so let me go talk to Chuck. But the truck is like, it feels way lower now, so it's hitting like every single bump. Damn. That was good. Damn. They're pretty much the same drop now. Look at that. Few inches difference though. Damn. I'll get back to you guys with more.